Hi guys, what's up? My name is Aman. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about something which is very hardly people talk about. It's about setting up your own customized menu in Sony mirrorless camera. So in this video, we will discuss why you should set up your own customized menu in Sony mirrorless camera, how you can set up yours customized menu, and what's in my customized menu. So yes, let's roll the intro. Peace. So if you own any Sony mirrorless camera, then you might already know that it comes with a lot of features and it has number of settings for those features. Specifically when you are on run and gun shooting, while you are shooting and you want to change some specific setting, it gets very frustrating to move from one menu to another. And in between this, you already lose your shot. So instead of getting into unnecessary setting, you can set up your own customized menu in your camera in which you can organize your mostly used settings, and trust me guys, it will save you a lot of time while you are on shoot. So now I will show you guys how you can set up your own customized menu in your Sony camera. Peace. For setting up your own customized menu, first click on the menu button, and in the right hand side corner you will see the star icon, and click on it. From there you can start adding all those settings that you need. Now let's choose the file format as our first setting for the customized menu and click OK button. As you can see, you have added file format in your customized menu. Now let's choose the JPEG quality and add this setting as well. Now for the third setting, let's choose the interval shooting function and add this setting as well into our customized menu. Now simply press the menu button. For checking your customized menu, simply go to the star icon again, and there you will see the My Menu first, and at there you will see all your customized menu in the My Menu one. So this is how you set up your own customized menu in Sony camera. Now let's come to my own customized menu. First setting that you will see is the file format. If I need most of my pictures, then I usually change it to RAW, and if I just need the simple version, I use the JPEG version. And the second setting that you will see is the JPEG quality, which is usually set to the extra fine. And the third setting is the audio recording level, जो कि मैं हमेशा यूज़ करता हूँ, सबसे ज़्यादा वही यूज़ होता है. It's because when I'm shooting the indoor or maybe outdoor, so उसमें क्या होता है कि audio recording level मुझे change करना पड़ता है so that I can give you the best audio quality. And the fourth setting that you will see is the picture profile. If I'm shooting in the night time, as I told before in my color grading video, if I'm shooting in the night time, I generally switch up to HLG2, and if I'm shooting in the daytime, I use the S-Log2 or maybe HLG2 also. It's usually depend on the time. So the fifth setting that you will see in my own customized menu is the file format. I usually shoot in the 4K if I'm taking any top-down shot, so that I can easily, in the post-production, I can easily scale or maybe change the position of my shot. And usually it is set to HD. And if I'm taking any B-roll and stuff, so in the sixth setting I use the record setting, and from that I can choose my frame rates. If I'm shooting like the normal this studio video, I usually take all my this kind of session in 24 fps, or if I'm shooting the B-roll, then I change it to 120 fps, or sometimes when I'm shooting in the night, then I usually change it to 60 fps. So these are all my customized menu settings. I hope you guys have learned something from this video, and if you do, then please consider hitting like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.